Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So right here we have the Loneyshow Wi-Fi Smart Plug. I've been using it for a few weeks now. This actually came in a 2-pack. Really cool. I'm actually really surprised of how well this works. So I had one set up using the app, and they have an app for Android and iPhone, and you can control it. So you can maybe see it right here. Let's see if you can see it. So I set it up, you plug it in, and then you can set up the Wi-Fi, information, so then it comes up on your app. So the really cool thing about this is you don't even have to be on the network. I can actually be at work, or I can be somewhere else and control the smart plug from anywhere, essentially in the world. Really cool. And I wasn't sure if that was going to work or not, but then I did find out because I have this set up to the TV and not so much the Xbox, but just the TV that's in my son's room, so I can control when he can actually use the TV and Xbox. So it works really great for that. Have it plugged in. You can do time settings if you want to do that, but otherwise you can do it on a lot of different devices. Setup with the app was extremely easy. Now the app is not for Loneyshow. It's probably for a lot of these Wi-Fi smart devices that all use the same app to control it. So you can probably add other ones that are out there. But this is, it's really cool. And I really like it. So you can use it on a lot of different things. So I believe it says it's 110 volt, 16 amp maximum output. So you could probably plug in a surge protector with some things that are not extremely powerful, that are not drawing a lot of power. Like I wouldn't do it on a microwave. But otherwise, besides that, really cool device. Nice design. One thing I would like to see on some of these is a way that I could lock a plug into it, but that's completely separate. That way, so if someone figures out that you are controlling their TV, they can't remove it. Otherwise, highly recommend going smart with a lot of your devices, and this is one of them. This is the Loneyshow Wi-Fi Smart Plug. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.